Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Assistant problem in Oppo. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to fix Google Assistant problem in Oppo. So first we're going to on the Google app, because uh, sometimes the Google Assistant problem uh, is when you didn't on the Google Assistant. The that's why there's a problem in Google Assistant. So first going to on this your profile here, just click this like, and then next click setting, and then after clicking setting, then you have to click here Google Assistant. Then after that you need to click here setting and voice match. So click this, and then on this you need to on this assistant so that the problem will be fixed here. So after that you have to click I agree, and then you have to speak okay Google. So we have to see this one, this full, this and that, we have to see it. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Here, so we have to see it again. Here issue again, we have to see it again. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Here, and then now it's the you have to see this full sentence. Only this one that I have marked here, the column here until here. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, make a call. Now here also we have to speak again. Hey Google, remind me to water my plant every Monday. So now here the Hey Google is ready. So you have to click there. It's written here. So now you just click it now, or you can just click it. Start saving audio also. It's fine. Now Hey Google has been turned on. So we will go back, and then we will try. Now we will try to say, Hey Google, okay Google. Here we have to say okay Google, so that
Opening Google.
like this. So now guys, this is it, how to fix Google Assistant problem in Oppo. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.